Hey there, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can reset the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential, and it's super simple. So let me show you. The first thing that you want to do is just press when it's going to, you have to have turned on. When you're going to turn it on, you want to press and hold the minus button with the clock button. At the same time, you want to press and hold it until all these white will become orange, and all these whites are going to become orange, and then you just have to hold for like 15, 20, 30 seconds, and then it's going to make something like blip or something like that, and then you successfully factory reset it. That's it. Super simple. That's how we're going to do it. So we're just going to press and hold the minus button with the clock button, press and hold. There you're going to have these all things needs to turn to orange, and then it's done and you got it. So hope this video was beneficial and helpful on how to do it and how to reset it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.